Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, I want to talk about this trackpad. So as you may have saw in my past videos, I've made a video about a trackpad that didn't work anymore. That trackpad was not even 4 months old. So it was a brand new trackpad and still it did not work. So what to do? Is there any Apple warranty I can use? And there is. I just need to tell you, or maybe even advise you, if you have any product from Apple and it's within a year it's broken, you have the right to bring it back to Apple. Apple will look at it. If they can fix it, they will fix it for you. If they can't, they will give you a brand new product back. So let's say your iPhone's not working for whatever reason. It's not like you drop it in the ocean and you find it back and you try to, and now it has all this water damage. In that case, you might get a hard time bringing it back to Apple. But if it's something like my previous trackpad and it got this haptic, it didn't work that great, so I brought it back and they looked at it and they couldn't fix that problem, so I get this new, brand new trackpad as a replacement. So that's great, and I thought just to show you guys how this trackpad looks, how the unboxing goes and all of that. So right out of the bat, we see that this trackpad doesn't come in a box. You get it in this plastic, so I just get it this way. I haven't get any box or something like that. So let's go ahead and unveil this plastic. So there you have some ACMR, unboxing ACMR over there. I hope that was satisfying. And yeah, it's actually the trackpad, the same as my previous one. You don't get the gray one, or you just get the same color product as your previous one, which is, I kind of like it, like the idea if I would have get the gray one, because they didn't have the white color in house. But hey, doesn't matter. I even had to wait a couple of days before they even sent me a message and told me to go to the store to pick up my new trackpad, which I did, and this is the one. So yeah, the trackpad works obviously very great. So let's go ahead and turn this trackpad on, and let's see if I get connection right away. And right away, I didn't even have to go to the preferences to see if I can connect it to the device, to my iMac. It just right away got connected to the iMac, which is the power of Apple, I guess. That's how they excel and delivering their services. Yeah, I don't have the same problem as my previous iPad. This trackpad works great. Yeah, maybe in about 2 or 4 months it will get back to its old habits. I hope not, but if that's the case, I'll definitely make a video telling you guys about it. So that's actually it for this video. It was a short one. I hope you've enjoyed it. Leave a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.